Hello YouTube. Finally, I received this. My brand new Sig Sauer p226 Legion optics. I've been waiting for this for about almost 3 months to now. So I'm quite excited. It came by mail today. But first of all, I want to introduce you to my other gun, which is also a p226, but it's LDC. It's produced in Germany. You can see it's the mark there. I think it's the only Sig Sauer p226 which it's produced there. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, please. But there's many models of this p226. You have the MK25, X5, TAC Ops model. Yeah, safety check is done. Yeah, it's a good gun. I enjoyed a lot of competitions with this one because I'm a competition shooter in IPSC. Yeah, it's not much to say about this other than it's a hell of a gun with iron sights. This is not the sights which is original. I changed this afterwards. It came with the adjustable sight. I didn't like that. I like when it's stuck in one place, so you don't have to move it. I rather learn how to shoot with the fixed sight than to yeah. So anyway, let's get over to the p226 Legion optic. All right. So, I'm so fucking excited. All right. Here it comes with plenty of documentations, some free stuff, something like that. Scan to claim. Interesting. I don't know if they will send it all the way to Norway to me, because this was shipped from the United States, and actually I haven't seen many people on the range or something have this model, and I checked a lot of YouTube videos and did some research about it, and lots of things, and heard it's only positive comments and talks around this particular model. So I decided to try it out, and I think it's a hell of a cool fucking gun. Yeah. All right. I don't know. This is a lot of things. I don't want to read all this and go through all this now. Some license, or it's a copy. In Norway, we get a blue copy before we get some license card. So I have to. It's temporarily, yeah. And yeah, some bill. And here's the gun. All right, but what? It was supposed to be optic. It's something wrong with the delivery or something. didn't plan this. Okay. Maybe the optics is in there somewhere or something. It can't be. Isn't the iron sights higher on the optics model? This must be wrong. You can of course put it here. It's optic ready. Oh my fucking god. I have to contact just to make sure what this is. There's no fucking optic sights in here. Alright. But maybe they can modify this. I will contact the dealer in Norway and see what happened. It kind of sucks when you waited almost 3 months. It's not that it's a year or something, but alright, we can go through some of it. I mean, this is a awesome, cool gun, even with iron sights. The reason I wanted optics is I tried some optic guns on the range, and I quite like that. And yeah, you get the sight picture much faster. And that isn't the gun I wanted. Really, it's very disappointed when you expect to get the optic sight and you get this, but I'm sure it's something. Yeah, just remove this and put it here or something. Wow, but really, if it wasn't for the optics, it's a nice gun. Really, I mean, it feels much better in the hand than the other model I showed you, but oh man, smooth double action trigger. I don't know if you can see from the camera. I mean, all right. Wow. I just want to compare this with I will make a follow-up video on this one, because when I get the right specs on this, or whatever you call it, my English isn't perfect because I'm in Norway and I'm not talking English on a regular basis. But usually when I speak for quite some time, I get better at it. It's like I haven't spoken English in a long time, but yeah, damn, a cool gun, really. Fuck, look at it, a Legion marks. Usually when I see people with this model on the range, it's the MK25, the model I showed you, which is I put them side by side here. This model which I showed you, and it's the MK25, I think I've seen a couple of times, and the X5. Really, this is way cooler looks. I mean, I hope it's to get it the same way which I wanted. I think you can just place the optic here and change the iron sights to higher ones. I don't think that's a big issue. Really? Yeah. Anyway, I feel some kind of difference. This has the E2 grip, I think. It's quite good and feels quite good in the hand too, but it feels like it's going a little bit more. It's a little bit thinner up here, but they are quite similar. This one is a little bit because it's a spring in here. You know, I had this one for about 7 years, and I shot I think close to 100,000 rounds through this. So it's been it's been used, I can tell you. And actually it's quite accurate still. I haven't changed any parts on it yet, and still runs like a dream. Other than I changed the sights. I changed recoil springs a couple of times, and I think only once I changed the hammer spring. So I mean, it's a robust gun. It can take a lot of beating. I think. I mean, it's not something that just it's quality. I mean, this is quality. I can tell you that from experience from this model here. It's also a lot cheaper. I think this is half the price of this approximately. But really, this, I can tell you, I just feel when I hold this, it feels much better in my hand, and that's a very good good experience. I'm actually very surprised. I never ever tried this model before, so I just taken a chance based on all the comments and videos I seen on YouTube and research online. And it's a hell of a cool gun, really. Look at the color, everything, and the name Legion. Oh my god, I just can't wait to try this and have it with me on competitions, training. I'm so excited, but I don't want to shoot it yet. I want to hear what the dealer here in Norway, which imported this for me, has to say. Maybe it's something wrong in the order or something. I was very specific that I wanted this with the optic sight, so I don't know. But I will definitely make a follow-up video on this when I get, you know, it's a night sight. I think it glows in the dark. I want to try to turn the lights off just to see. Oh shit. Yeah, it's fucking glowing. Can you see this? Oh my god. All right. This is some glows in the dark. I fucking love the p226. I will never ever I think I will never or never say never, but you know, I felt this felt so good in my hand, but this is even better. It's a little bit lighter too. Feels no, maybe not so much. Oh, but it feels kind of different. But I will make a follow-up video when I fix this problem issue with the order. I will hopefully soon. I don't want to send this all the way back to America and all this process again. I hope it's a good solution for this. Yeah. All right. Hope you watched the follow-up video. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. All right. See you later.